Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the zone and positioning the raid fly trap where flies naturally congregate. First, clear food and trash for at least 12 to 24 hours so the bait is the strongest attractor. Once done, remove the product from its package, but keep it sealed until placement to preserve potency. Make sure to situate the trap 3 to 6 feet off the ground near light or scent sources. This increases capture rates because flies fly at that height. Now you activate the trap exactly as the label instructs, because the how matters. Bait chemistry and adhesive exposure determine effectiveness. Carefully open the bait chamber or remove the adhesive cover, then secure the trap in its chosen spot. Once active, monitor daily and keep a log of captures and timing so you can see patterns. If catches are low after 2 days, move the trap a few feet toward light or food sources. Small adjustments can dramatically increase results. To finish, replace the trap when the adhesive is full or at the interval the instructions recommend. You want fresh bait for sustained control. When removing a used unit, seal it in a bag and discard with regular trash, then wash your hands. If you see few flies caught, try one key troubleshooting step. Reposition the trap closer to the infestation center and eliminate competing attractors like exposed food. If that fails, rotate to a different bait formulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.